This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michelle Merricks. Welcome home. This 3-bedroom 2-bath home is conveniently located in the Wind Meadows South Neighborhood. Built in 2023, this home is like new. The home boasts an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen, large living room and dining room. The kitchen features a center island, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a closet pantry. The home is a split plan and offers an ample primary bedroom with a private ensuite master bath that includes a dual sink vanity, a step-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. The home has a separate laundry room with a washer and dryer included. The community offers playgrounds, a community pool, and a dog park. Schedule your showing today. For more information,